Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Science 8th Standard. Students, today we are going to continue our 16th chapter, that is the coal and petroleum. Okay, in previous video already we have discussed about that of how the formation of the coal and what are the different distillation process and what is that how we are getting the different products by the distillation process of coal. Okay, so but students, this already I have discussed in the introduction classes how the coal that is coal and petroleum are forming. Now both are that is called as general fossil fuels, and it takes that long periods to formation. Yes. So this petroleum means what is that? Petrol means what, you know? Petroleum is derived like a petra plus oleum. Petra means rocks. In that Latin words, if you say that petra means what is that? Rocks, and oleum means oil. So that is called as generally rock oils. But from the rock oils it is just now today we are using as a petroleum. Okay, so these are how it is forming. Already we have get the idea also previous classes also, friends, how that formation of the petroleum. You know that, friends, just one general explanation I will give to you. When that you know that in the ocean layer, that in the ocean there are different number of small to that big fishes are there. Okay, fishes are there, but what happening due to the calamities, due to the natural calamities by the cyclone or by the eruption or by volcanic eruption or the earthquake, whatever it is happening in the ocean surface or ocean layer, what will happen that due to that any other calamities also or due to other regions, that number of thousand fishes, millions of fishes will die. Then where they will go after the die? They will be fell down or they will be settled down the surface, and after long days what will happen? It will cover the soil, and slowly it will go to the down, and the layer after the layer it will be buried under the surface of the earth. Okay, surface of that earth. Then what will happen? Now due to that lack of sunlight, due to that high pressure temperature, it will be form as a layer of that. Okay, and a long period after 10 means 1 million or 1000 years or 10,000 years after that, due to that fossils, their bones, that fossils are there, that it will create also like that. We are saying that what coal or petroleum, and after the digging, how to get that petroleum? We have to dig that surface or dig the earth. Then after by the pipelines we have to take out that fuels or that mixing with of that is called as a crude oil or crude petrol, and that crude petrol we have to do that refining by the refineries, and then after we have to the distillations, different product and different things which are getting from the petroleum we will do. Okay, so these are according to their boiling points we have to do that fractions, and different part of like kerosene, petroleum, diesel, white petroleums, okay, paraffins, that different things, the products will get by the distillation process, or that is called as refineries. Okay, so let us discuss about that, students. What is the petroleum and how they are refineries, and how that fractions we will discuss in this video. So see, students, first of all you should see that petroleum means petra plus oleum I have written means rock oil. Means petra means क्या है? Rock, and oleum means oil. So this is generally we should say that rock oil, because it will form that like stones like that like sedimental rock like it will form. So that's why from that it is that oil is getting. So that's why we are saying that what like rock oil. And petroleum is a dark color and viscous, strong smelling liquids, and it is one very smelling liquids, and also it is just like a dark color. It is not only light color, that is one dark color petroleum. Okay, and crude petroleum is a complex mixture of a solid, liquid and gases of hydrocarbons, and with water, salt and other particles. Generally hydrocarbons means what, students? Do you know idea about that, like methane, propane, butane, pentane? So these are the butane that we are now using, that what is that? Our LPG gas, butane gases. So generally that means hydrocarbons means what is that? Carbon with the hydrogen gas combined, that is called as a hydrocarbons. Combination of the hydrogen and a carbon, that is called as a hydrocarbons. And with that also it will mix with that hydrocarbons with the water, salts and other particles also are mixture are present in the crude petrol. So crude petrol what we are getting from the mines, like digging the earth, and we are getting that petrol, that is crude petrol, that we are not getting like pure petrol what we are using in the our automobiles or in other cases, industrial or engine cases we are using. That is not, that is these are the purified means petrol, that means we are refinery petrol, okay. And with the, that is also one white petrols are there, okay, that we are using in the what a jet engine or that our aeroplane cases we are using that what white petrols. So it is according to that boiling points, there refineries are the fractions are there. It is lighter than water. If petrol and water if you mix, then petrol will be off layer, off it will stay than of water. In India there are oils, oil wells in Assam, Gujarat, Mumbai, deltas of Kaveri and Godavari which are present in that now Andhra. So generally in India there are so many places are there where we are getting the wells of petrol. That means from that we are getting the petrol. Especially Assam is very large petrols we are getting in India, and our what is that beach of that our Mumbai, Gujarat also we are getting, and also special delta of Kaveri and Godavari in Andhra also there are Godavari is there, that from near beach that we are getting also petrol. So in our India we are specially getting, but if you go to that out of country also like Iraq, Iran, these are more means very large amount of petrols are stored in the area, okay. So students, this by this petrol we are so many large amount of byproducts we are making like petrochemical gels and medicines, drugs, paints, so many things like that. Also how like we are using like coal tar with it, like that also petroleum with also we are using this petrol, and we are making the so many byproducts, okay. And this is main things what is that students, you know, we are using this petrol just special for automobiles. Automobiles means what is that, for the van or like a car, bus, that for engine purposes we are specially using that what is that petrol. And whenever we are doing that refineries according to their boiling points, that petrols are distilled, means there are different fractions are getting, means like white petrol very less boiling point, that soon it will be evaporates. So next after petrol, next diesel, next kerosene, next naphthalene. So these are the different fractions when we are doing this refineries of the petrol. Refineries means like distillation, how like the coals we are doing the distillation without air, that we are giving heat and we are decomposing and we are getting the coal tar, coal gas, this all that we are getting coke. Like the same thing students, the crude petrol whenever we are getting from the mines or from the under surface by that pipeline, that after we are doing that what refineries. Refineries after we are making as a different fractions with different product like diesel and kerosene, petrol is different according to their boiling point. Least boiling point is the petrol, then the diesel. So we will discuss what are that. Refining of petrol. The process of separating various constitution of a fraction of petroleum by fraction distillation is called refining. Means how the what are the constituents are present in the petroleum. Like I told, kerosene where we are getting from the crude oil of petrol. So when the crude oil, if we will do that heat and which one very less means high means least boiling point, that soon it will be evaporates. That we are collecting the different tray. There is one tank inside with their pictures in your textbook also you can understand. So different tray with that according to their boiling points it will be come out. So that is the different constituents are present in the petrol. Okay. So that is for that process which way we are doing this distillation or refining we are doing, that is called as a what is that refinery of petrol. And next we will discuss about the fractional distillation. क्या होता है? Fractional distillation means the process of separating the constituents of liquid mixture by heating it and then condensing, separating the components according to their different boiling points is known as fractional distillation. So this refinery का मतलब ही distillation. This is the fractional distillation. Fractional distillation is including to that refineries. Refineries and fractional distillation nothing but that is only one process. Whenever we are separating according to their boiling points, that means whenever we will heat it, then they will be different, that there are different fractions which they will come out, and at that time whenever we will make that cool, then it will become the, or whenever we will do that condensation, then it will get that other liquids, that is called as diesel, petrol, kerosene, naphthalene, these are all that white petrols, different things. Okay, so these are about that different fractions. Okay. What do you know by fraction, students? You have heard these words, but that like fraction, not like it, or like fraction in mathematics, what the terms we are using, not like the fraction, but here the fraction means that constituents, what are the different constituents. Okay, the constituents with the different boiling points are termed as a fraction. So that means it is contain the petrol, it is contain that diesel, it is contain the kerosene, it is contain the naphthalene, it is contain the what is that white petrol. These are all are the one of the constituents of the crude petrol, and these are called as one fraction. Okay, these are all will mix means that is the crude oil. So that's a whole part of the crude oil. We are getting that one part. That's why it is called as a fraction. Okay, students, these are whole about that. What is that petroleum and how that refining petroleums and how we are getting that by the digging of that pipes, and we already you have in the books, you can read also thoroughly. Means students, for how that is under more means 20 meter, 30 meter, 50 meters under or 100 meters down that layer is there. So whenever that we are finding that the petrol is available here, at that time what we are doing by machinery with we are pipe, we are digging that surface. Then after pipe through we are giving that pressure, or by machine with it we are taking out that water petrol. Or sometimes what will happen due to the high pressure means it will be coming out, or another one pipe which we are giving the pressure, other second pipe with it will coming that petrol. And you will study, if you read that books in your textbook, you can understand details what about that, how to handle that what petroleum by that way. Okay, the process that we have to read. Thank you all students. You have to write this all the notes, and next we have to discuss other things.